Today, I'm teaching you guys how you guys can remove quick ad in Snapchat. So it's pretty simple. First, what you want to do is, you want to click on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen, and once you're inside your profile, you want to click on the little setting icon at the top right. When you're inside the setting of Snapchat, you want to scroll a bit down until you see the option called Quick Ad. Alright, so search for Quick Ad over here, and as you guys can see, you can see this option called See Me in Quick Ad. Click on See in Me Quick Ad. Once you do that, make sure Reso Show Me in Quick Ad is off. If it is on, then it's going to show you on other people's quick ad. Make sure this is off, so you don't get suggested to other people's quick ad and other people don't get suggested to you. Once you do this, go back and from over here, you want to click on Contact Me. Once you click on Contact Me, make sure you put on Friends Only. Alright, once you put it on Friend, what you can do is scroll a bit down until you see this option called Contacts. Click on Contacts, and from inside Contacts, make sure your contacts is off. Alright, once your contact is off, at the bottom where it says Remove Sync Contact, click on that. You can confirm. Once you do that, all of your sync contact on your Snapchat will be removed. In that way, you are not going to be shown another people's quick ad, and other people who are in your contact is also not going to be shown to you under quick ad. So click on See Contact Shared with Snapchat, and it's going to show you people who have a shared contact with you and are on Snapchat. From over here, you can remove them. But as you guys can see, I've already clicked to remove sync contact. That's why no one is being shown over here, so I didn't have to remove anybody. Once I do this, basically, I can just close my Snapchat and reopen it again, and all my setting will be applied, and my quick ad should be removed. That's how we guys can remove quick ad in Snapchat. So if you guys found her video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time.